Agile is all about mindset, how you think it, how you produce it. That is why Agile is based on two most important thing: incremental delivery, like parts. I want to give a minimum viable product to the customer. They reviewed it, they give us the feedback. And secondly, iterative delivery. Consistently, you keep on deliver to the customer on consistent basis. That are the two bases of Agile. As a general, we know there are four values of Agile: customer collaboration over contract negotiation, which simply mean if customer wants something, we do that. We don't say that no, it is not written in the contract. Contract is valuable without any doubt. Contract is a very important thing, but we say customer collaboration, working with the customer. What customer needs is more relevant. Then respond to change over following a plan. I like to put the linkage with the first principle, first value, customer collaboration over contract negotiation. Because actually, what does the customer want? Customer want to change something, and the Agile says respond to a change over following a plan. Whenever a customer want to change it. Give him the flexibility. So do not think, what if this happens? No. A customer want to change, let them change. Have them that flexibility that they can change anything. Like Amazon has a 1 month delivery based on that principle. Apple has 2 weeks. You can replace the items based on that principle. Then individual and interaction over processes and tool. This is more about that in Agile we trust our team, we give them the task, let them do. Instead of making all the decision, we say no, team is wise, team knows how to do it. You have T-type leader, those people who knows their in-depth and who knows the breadth of the things. So they are generalized specialists, they know how to do the things. So we trust them and we let them do the things. Steve Jobs used to say that I don't hire wise people or good people to then tell them what to do. I hire those people so that they can tell me what to do. So this principle correlates with that individual and interaction over processes and tool. The fourth is about the product. Working software over comprehensive documentation. It actually means give them the minimum viable product. Instead of talking and documentation, give them something which they can look. Give them the drawing. Give them something feasible. They can touch. They can feel. If you can do that, then you have a Agile mindset. Of course, in Agile mindset, we also have 12 principles. But these 4 values are the cornerstone of it. Put in the comment, are they clear to you? I want to know that you are clear about the Agile mindset. It is very important for PMP exam.